Forward facing with latch, lower anchor and tether install. Preparing for installation. To begin, here are a few helpful steps to prepare your car seat for installation. Remove all of the infant inserts. Do not use them for forward facing mode. The buckle can be used in any of 3 slots. Choose the slot closest to your child. Refer to your instruction manual on how to adjust. The recline handle is located at the front of the car seat and under the pad. To adjust, pull it forward and recline the car seat. There are 2 positions to choose from. Use the recline position that gets the car seat as flush with the back of the vehicle as possible. Push down on the harness release button, then pull the harness forward to loosen, and provide slack in order to move the headrest and harness position to correctly fit your child. Please refer to your instruction manual to learn more about forward-facing child fit. Remove the lower anchor belt from its storage location. Locate the forward-facing belt path. Thread the connector with the adjuster through the belt path. Pay attention to the adjuster to ensure it is fed through the correct side and the belt is not twisted. The final step is to loosen the tether so you have enough slack to attach it to your vehicle's anchor. Check the vehicle owner's manual for a specific location. Now you are ready to start the installation process. Place the car seat forward facing in the vehicle. Make the car seat flush against the vehicle seat. Position the tether through the headrest. Check your vehicle owner's manual for a specific location. Loosely attach the tether to the vehicle's tether anchor location. Do not tighten yet. Ensure that the arrows in the lower connectors are facing upwards. Fasten the left lower connector first, then followed by the right lower connector. Push down on the seat with one hand and pull up on the free end of the belt with the other hand to remove the slack. Hold the car seat at the forward-facing belt path with your weaker hand and push and pull from side to side. It should not move more than 1 inch. The final step is to remove all the slack from the tether.